like more mad, crazy and just mash up. Like the place of fire. Stab up jokes and stab the pit of them and just everything just done and over with. And them sometimes I them the things that I see are coming and I say no. Hold it, girl.
Yes, my people. Big up on yourself. Welcome back to one more vlog again. Yeah, man. Big up to Yardman TV News and Entertainment. Yeah, man. Big up to all my people them out there. Big up to all the fans them out there. Big up to who not reach yet. Yeah, man. So you hear me I say, the way I talk about Rosalee. Rosalee, we are talk about, and him pick me, and Jakes. Boy, me I tell you, a history I go on. Yeah, I jump to it straight, far as me see it. Rosalee himself don't care a heck about the picnic them. Yes, I watch him a long time. I watch him look, me not even expect say. People that watch him like how me that watch him. Yes, the same deal with the picnic them course. Remember one time I watch him about on the picnic PTA meeting thing. Yo, deal with the picnic course. Must have break out. Everybody wants to see them parents turn up. A terrible thing, you know? A terrible thing. You see video where him put out where I say about this and what's it and what and burn down your house.
Me have time to mash up all things in here. Mash up them blood clot. I say if I just such a rhythm, lick out the blood clot glass. And sometimes the pressure does feel like more mad, crazy and just mash up. Like the place of fire. Stab up jokes and stab the pit of them and just everything just done and over with. And them sometimes I them the things that I see are coming and I say no. Hold it, girl. How about how I feel? Don't someone have asked me how you feeling today?
It makes CDA take away picking them. Yes. And boy, far as me see it, my peeps. When CDA take them, they might have a clean place until put them, but it's a rough thing. Yes. And as him father said, him cut through his system already. Through things where him do as a little youth. And him never come up and know say when him a get youth, him to try to break his spell. Make his spell come drop on the youth them. And the youth them now have to go try to break his spell. The CDA have to help try to break his spell. What a thing, man. Yo, me I tell up my peeps. Rosalee have to tone down. Just like how him change him body. Him looks. For the internet, for the TikTok. I see him way. Him fi know say. Him fi change himself for the youth them. And if him continue want to raise the bar on the internet, it will take him and take him lose him, pick me them and lose everybody and lose himself. And all that the people them have to go use and learn. If you know how smart up and learn, say it's a dangerous game. You must learn how to she now. I mean know more sound and I learn. Because I have the same kind of mentality. It's all about the greed for the dollars. Do anything on the social media. I don't care. Well, me know say Rosalee never care from morning. Never plan for them youth, yeah. Never plan for this. And now social media come. When him see, say, him have to go raise the bar higher and higher every time. You must regret say you get youth. Because a wrong move ma make, you should have just know say and focus and know say make we set a way for youth them As him not have to come live like how him a live. As him not have to come talk like how him a talk. Rosalee, you messed up. And Jakes, you messed up too. Because you've been through a system and you make it come catch you out them. If you do anything, everything, you not catch them. Yes? In a real life, I tell you. Anyway, my peeps, we are going to hear what Rosalee have to say. And we are going to see what Jakes have to say. Because we see them now, we see Jakes turn on him live, my peeps. And the things are going to him, I get some gift. Rosalee over there and I watch too. And I see what I go on. So guess what happened? Him get bad mind. You can't see him get bad mind. The world can't see him get bad mind. Yes. I'm going to say, I'm happy feet because I'm baby father. I'm not happy for nothing. Right now, I'm so glad he wait for you, them gone off of him. I'm free for all, him can chat. And do what he want to do as usual. Cussing bad with them straight. He try to tear down people with him big bad mouth. Boy, he don't look good. Right now, you don't look good. And your whole shape don't look good. But you should have a good approach to the thing. You know why when it comes to the TikTok world, people have to tear down other people. They have to come with some form of drama for it. Yes, I tell you, people love the drama. It's all about the drama when it comes to the social media world. Yes, no good for you. The amount of them can show up after them go on with certain kind of lifestyle. Then find out that they're hearted. You can't keep up with this lifestyle. Our internet break them somewhere or the other. Because you can't beat this, you know. This day have to stay. This come have to make you better or break you. Yes, man. I just know how you do it. Yes, you can't come on social media. Lord there. You can't come on social media and talk certain things. Act certain way around the youth them. A terrible thing. It's a bad thing to do. I tell you. Why? I'm sorry for you them. I'm not sorry for you. I'm not sorry for you, Rosalee. Yes. And Jakes, you should have done better. Yes. Yeah, man. Just spend more time and focus on Rosalee. Feed him like a pig. More than focus on the youth them. And make sure they know say I'm alright. You make it thing get out of hand. And people want to know say fitness is good. But if you can't manage them, you think of vote them. You have to plan for these things in these times. Leave it or not. Do what you want to do. We'll all will feel it. Yeah, man. Yes. Yeah, man. I'm nice speaking to them. When I hear them attack in their background, it sound like them go to school and them learn too. But the trauma, them go through lifetime after them mother. You can imagine you growing a damn pig pen. Yeah, man. It's crazy as you open your mouth to get them up. Crap. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, my people. Big up on yourself. I hope you can encourage him to do good and do better. And I tell you, Rosalee should have got through some kind of process to calm him down. Test him or check him nerves, give him one medicine. anything you can do to benefit the growing of youth them. And I can get now. Yes. Anything we can benefit the growing of youth them, leave it. Yeah man. Big up on yourself, my people. Welcome to Yardman TV News and Entertainment. Yep. Today, we have to talk about it. And people have to learn and take the example of a Rosalee. Because many of them have millions of Rosalee out there. Right now, we don't know how build up so much of them out there. Not in case of fat, in case of not even not give a heck about them youth. Deal with them anyhow.